In today video, we will discuss that how to set image in image view by using the camera and from gallery. We have created an Android application that we have installed into our mobile, and we open this and we have set the layout of this like that. If we click on image button, it will show. It is showing a dialog. It has three options: take photo, choose from gallery, and exit. If we click on take photo, it will show camera application. If we click on camera, then our camera is successfully open. If we click on that image capture button, and if we click on right, then it will show into our image view. Again click on choose from gallery. It will show the option of selecting the image from gallery. If we click on gallery, then image will be show, and if that we have select, it is placed into our image view. If we click on exit, then it will hide our dialog box. Let's go to the project of this that we have created in our system. We have already created that project. You can create from here new project. After creating that, first of all we have to set the permission of that. To write external storage, we have created that permission, and to read from our external storage, we use this permission read external storage. And we have, after initializing that permission in manifest file, we have designed the layout of that. In layout we have used three widgets. First is card view, and we have set the attribute in card view, that is card, corner, radius, margin, top, app. Second, image view, that is placed into our card view. And third widget, that is use app compact button. We have set the ID, padding, and all other attributes that we need, we have set in that. And in the background we place a drawable camera icon, that is this, and it is access from there. If we are to access, we right click on drawable, and from vector asset, if we click on clip part, it will show a dialog, and it will show many items we can select from there. We select camera, we select this, we click on OK. We can give name if we are to change. If we do not change, then we click on next. It will show this name. If go to this part, backend part, we created another activity. We have used another activity instead of main activity. We initiate where option, that type of array of v, and pass three type of value, that is take photo, choose from gallery, and exit. That will be show to our dialog box by when we clicked on that. And we initiate a button that we have declared into app compact button, and image view, and a variable declare and pass 100 int type value into that. We declared that variable globally so that we can use it in our program. And we use a special method to initialize that. We initialize the button, we find view by id, and id is passed from there, that we passed in our XML file button id, and like that image main. And we created another method, set on click method. In that we place set on click listener event, and if we click on that, in that we have entered some permission, context compact dot check cell permission. It has context compact, it has a method with the name of check cell permission, that is used to show permission we have entered in our manifest file or not. And second, activity compact. In that it has method request permission, and that is used to show dialog. In dialog type, do you want to allow to access that camera or mobile app, this application, like it will show the dialog. And activity array of, we pass argument activity name and arrow manifest read external and pass request code in that. And second, that we have used manifest permission write. It will also be used to show that we have declared that permission in a manifest file or not. Activity compact, it has request permission method. In the previous similar way, we have you pass the write external permission into as argument to request method. And third one, that we have used for camera permission, and if not equal to, if these not satisfy, then it will execute else block and call to our choose image method. Let's go to on request permission result that we have to visit. In the on request permission result, that is used to handle permission if we are to perform some task by giving permission into that, then we use this. Means it is used to handle the permission. In this when request code, we have called choose image method. We have created the choose image method here. First of all, in this we initialize a builder variable and pass alert dialog, that is used to create the dialog. Builder dot set item, in the set item method we have pass option menu, and dialog interface dot on click listener, and on click listener event pass and dialog interface, and we use lambda expression in that, and use some condition. If option menu, we use array of option menu. If it is equal to take photo, then it will open the camera, and we use intent in that, implicit intent, and we passed media store. It has a condition action image capture, that is used to capture the image from area and from camera, sorry. And we pass the intent and request code. Request code should be similar that we have passed here, and intent is passed as first argument, second argument is request code. Else if it is equal to choose from gallery, then it will call this implicit intent. In the implicit intent, we pass a parameter as a intent action pick and media store, and we pass this path media store dot images media external content URI, that is used to select image from gallery, and we pass this like the previous that we have used to open the camera and to capture image from the camera. Intent and request code pass in that. Else if it is equal to exit, then it will dismiss, hide our dialog box. At last we use builder.show method, that is used to create that. At last we use on activity result. If request code is equal to 1, we use the request code and result code. If our request code is equal to 1, request code 1, that is used for read external storage, and if it is equal to 1 and result code is result okay, and we use another condition into that, data is equal to not null, we initialize a variable that is type of URI means uniform resource identifier, and pass data dot get data. We use input stream get content. It has method get content resolver dot open input stream. We pass the uniform resource identifier as a path to the method of get content resolver. And we use another variable bitmap. We pass bitmap factory dot decode stream input stream and set image bitmap call on our image and pass the bitmap into that as an argument. Second, we use for camera. This is used for camera in we have initialized this condition with the help of else if our request code is 3 and result code is equal to result okay, and we use bitmap variable and data dot get extra dot data as bitmap, and we call set image bitmap on our image and pass the bitmap into that as an argument. We have created this application to set image from the camera and gallery that we can use easily. If we run this, then it is building. We open. After building this, it is installing into. We allow this easily, and layout is shown. If we click on camera, it is showing a dialog that is coming from activity compare dot request permission. If we give allow, then it will show the dialog, and if we click on take photo, camera open, and can we capture, click, then it is shown into our image view. If another way, if we select from choose from gallery, gallery is open, click on gallery, select image from gallery, then it is showing easily. If we click on exit, then dialog box is hidden. Thank you.